This is AMECA, a humanoid robot at CES 2022. Very realistic. Can you say hello, AMECA?
Hello there. So nice to meet you.
Very realistic movements. Can you show us your moves again?
Of course. I would love to.
Fluid movements. And the eyes are really, I think, what gets you, because they really lock on. When you look at this robot, it looks back at you.
I am designed as a research platform for human-robot interaction.
And can you...
To communicate with people like you, a robot like me needs human characteristics.
And so if you put your hand up really close, you can see...
Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing good, and yourself?
I'm doing well too. What's your name?
Ricky, what's yours?
Ricky. Nice to meet you. I'm AMECA.
Hi,
Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
Very cool. I've heard it's warm there.
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom. We traveled quite a distance to be here today. As have you.
Can we take a selfie?
Absolutely.
Smile.
Cheese.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
So nice.